Hi everyone! Today we're going to be showing you some specific pliers, straight pull spoke pliers actually, and we're going to show you how you use them on your wheel sets. There's many different wheel sets on the market. Those wheel sets are used in many different type of spokes, and one of those spokes is our straight pull spokes. For this kind of spokes, if you only use a spokey, and when adjusting nipples from spokes and tightening, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be turning the spoke itself, and you can actually disassemble the spoke. To prevent that, you're using straight pull spoke pliers. You take them in your hand, actually get a firm grip of the spoke, and now you can easily work and adjust in the nipple and the tension of the spoke. Talking about different types of spokes, these pliers are compatible with thicknesses of the spoke from 1.4 to 2.2 millimeters. Thanks for watching, guys. For all additional information about those pliers, you can find them on our website, uniorbiketools.com. See you next time.